Hey everyone, check out the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. Perfect for making smoothies on the go with its 14-ounce travel jar. This personal blender features durable stainless steel blades that easily crush ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens for smooth, healthy drinks. With just one touch, you can blend your favorite protein shakes and icy beverages quickly and effortlessly. The compact design fits most car cup holders, making it ideal for home, office, or travel use. Plus, the BPA-free jar doubles as a to-go cup with a convenient travel lid. Cleanup is simple because the blending jar, blades, and lid are all dishwasher safe. This lightweight blender is a great way to add more vitamins and nutrients to your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.